What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at the ultimate 12-in-1 charging station. Now the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. So taking a first look at this is a pretty beefy unit here, meant to be like a desktop unit sitting on your desk. This is the included power cable, as you can see. Now, if we do start on the back here, there's actually 4 AC outlets. So this is not just a USB charging station. You can, plug in 4 normal devices here, and these are going to be surge protected, which is great. Now on this side, we have all of our USB connections here, and we have a total of 8. So each one of these little sections will give you a retractable USB Type-C, and then an actual USB Type-C port there as well. So with the 4 on the back and the 8 on the front, that gives you a total of 12 devices that you can charge. And you might think that's all that this does, but this is actually super cool. So the top here actually comes off just like that. And then each one of these sections can be pulled out. So let's go ahead and pull that out. So now when you're traveling, this is, your retractable here. So now when you're traveling, you can just take this with you and plug it into the wall. You have 2 ports, again, same retractable port, same Type-C, does 40 watts. I love that. And what's really cool about this is that if you look at the listing for Amazon, there are a bunch of different configurations that you can go ahead and get. And as you can see, these just plug in because there's, again, 4 more outlets there. So you can get just the base station here with all the outlets. You can get like all USB-Cs, which I have. You can get a combination of USB-C and Lightning. You can get a bunch of different combinations, but these are so great because, again, when you're at home, you have all the ports. When you're going on a trip, maybe you take 1 or 2 of these with you, and now you have fast chargers with you that, again, they just plug, right in here. And just to show you that working, we'll use this cable. We'll plug in our iPhone, and boom, we're charging. Super simple and easy. And then when you're done, again, these are retractable. They lock right in like that. And then just to show you putting everything back in here, these go in super easily because, again, they're just plugs. So they plug right in. And then you put the top on just like this, and boom, you're essentially good to go. And now you have this massive desktop charger. But I love this just for the fact that, a lot of the desktop chargers, they're stuck at being a desktop charger. This allows you to have portable chargers that you can take with you on trips. And then when you're done, they go right back in. I love the retractable cables, all fast charging up to 40 watts. And you can't forget about the normal AC outlets on the back here. So if you're looking for the ultimate charging station, this is definitely it.